Time is a valuable thing, so prepping your veggies at the beginning of the week definitely saves you minutes, even hours. FN Sharp has the right tools to get the job done. This Santoku knife is a great choice for veggie prep because of the dimpled blade. It prevents the food from sticking to the blade. After cutting off the root end, go ahead and peel back the outermost leaves. Often they'll just fall off on their own, and then you can cut each sprout in half or even quarter them depending on size. Grape tomatoes are always a great option. You can halve them, quarter them, dice them, many ways to prep. Into a yellow squash, simply cut off each end and then go ahead and slice into coins. You can also take your Santoku and run down the length, and this will create planks. Maybe you're making a vegetable lasagna. You can cut the planks down into strips, making long julienne strips, maybe for a salad or stir fry. You can also cut on an angle or on a bias, and these will give you a cool cut, as well as you can take these, stack them on top of each other, and then slice down, and that'll give you a smaller julienne as seen here. A head of broccoli, this will always be super fresh, and you can go ahead and delegate how big your broccoli florets are going to be. You can cut them off towards the armpit or the arms of each stalk, then cut it down even further. If you'd like only the head without any stalk, you can cut them in half. Maybe you're making a broccoli salad. Next is the FN Sharp paring knife, perfect for smaller tasks like this really thin carrot. I'm cutting them into coins, and make sure that when you're cutting that you pull back your fingers. Keep your fingertips always backwards. You want to use your knuckle as the guide for your blade. Same as the squash, cut these in many ways into coins, julienne strips, cut the carrot down into the middle, and then when you slice you're making half moons. Bend one asparagus stalk. This is going to be the guide for the rest of the bunch, where you would cut off, being the most woodsy part, just not very edible. And just like that, you're all ready for the week. Visit FN Sharp for more.